Some people think they're above the rules, until karma proves them wrong. These unbelievable instant karma moments were all caught on camera. He wanted everyone to know he was in charge. Now he's answering for it with paperwork. Was he checking how strong the glass was, or did he just forget it was there? He came in full of confidence, and left with tears in his eyes.
No idea how to drive these people. You get back in that car. No, you get in that. No, you touch me and I'm calling the police.
Forget road rage. This has officially turned into milk rage.
Yo, what's your problem, bro? You almost killed me. Yo, what the f?
Out the middle of the road. Oh my God, you see what the fuck?
Good for you. That's what you get.
That's good for
You.
Good for you.
That's what you get.
That's good for you. Not low. Not low. Not low.
That middle finger just became one very expensive gesture. He drove like a complete maniac, caused a wreck, then attacked another driver's car with a hatchet. Now he's on the run, though probably not for long.
Are you blind? You pulled out the roundabout and I'm coming down. Wasn't you, dick? That's why I slammed on and I almost came off. Is that it? Is it? You knob. You laugh at me, you break your go. PM13.
No! Oh my God!
Sedans have balance. SUVs have karma. Oh no, oh my God.
Ля, что делает? Как делает? Надо вызвать полицию. Куды, блядь, дадим?
Слышь ты, урод!
Ты урод, блядь, больше, а пизды ему дать!
Picking a fight with an ambulance is one of the fastest ways to meet instant karma.
У меня есть
Oh my God, she trying to cut
Roadside.
Oh my God, she trying to cut her.
He trying to break the door. Lights is playing.
He done broke the door.
He just broke the door. Oh, Lord. Ooh. What hands behind your goddamn back, boy? And we got the...
Didn't even need to switch the siren on. That's instant karma right there. Sadly, people like this rarely learn their lesson. He probably hurt his own toe more than he damaged the hood. The police gave them a chance to calm down. Instead, they chose attitude and earned a ticket.
Here?
Imagina. Pronto. Levou tabé.
Oh my God! He knocked that mirror clean off. Nice work. Guess you don't need mirrors if you never use them.
Glittering.
It's okay. My car is messed up anyway. Yep. I got her a video.
Nothing shuts down bad behavior faster than flashing police lights. You've got to love instant karma, even if everyone else gets caught up in the mess.
Whoa! just a Ferrari. You didn't see me? I'm right here.
You call me off, did you? Huh? You call me off back there? Yeah, didn't you? You caught me, huh? You caught me off there, man. Huh? Call me off, you caught me. Get out the car.
Where you going? Where you going?
No.
You caught me.
Yeah, we're gonna stay right here. We have a camera. We saw you hit us.
You better be up from over there. Don't give me that shit.
Can I keep my window up for you?
You came into my lane. You came into my lane. Why is your window down?
I'm trying to put it up. You
Well,
have to put it up.
It's on video.
No, please.
That's fine.
No. Go back. No, go back. I don't care. Look, we all have to go like this. Reverse. I got you on the camera. I got you on the camera. I got you on the camera. You're doing an illegal turn. You're the oncoming traffic. You're on the video. I got you on the video. No, I don't care. Okay. Fine. Oh. Thank you. Next time he should respect the law instead of take.
Looks like somebody wasn't ready to leave TikTok behind and face the real world. Which karma moment was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more unbelievable moments caught on camera.